Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create clean subject cutout with background blur. Open your photo in Photoshop, then go to the top menu and click select subject. Wait for Photoshop to auto select the person. Now click select and mask from the top bar. Use the refine edge brush on hair and edges. Increase smooth slider slightly. Press OK. Now click add layer mask. Subject is separated. Press Ctrl plus J to duplicate the background layer. Move duplicated layers below subject. Select background copy. Go to the filter blur, Gaussian blur. Increase blur until background is soft. Press OK. Click subject layer mask again. Fix any hard edges using soft brush. Thanks for